Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone so you can isolate the issue quickly. First, confirm the ring/silent switch. A silent icon means no sound, so flip it. Next, raise volume with the side buttons or pull Control Center and drag the ringtone slider up. This directly controls notification audio. Then open Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics to confirm the selected tone and vibration. Once done, you'll know whether it's a hardware mute or a software setting preventing sounds. Once basics are set, dive into Focus and Parap notification settings to find hidden blockers. Go to Settings right arrow Focus and disable any active focus, or inspect its schedule and allowed apps so notifications aren't silenced automatically. Then open Settings right arrow Notifications and pick the apps giving trouble. Make sure Allow Notifications, Sounds, and Lock Screen options are enabled. Also check each app's internal settings. Some apps have their own mute or notification tone selection that overrides system sounds. To finish, reboot the phone to clear transient issues. Press and hold the side button and volume until you see slide to power off, then restart. Make sure iOS and apps are up to date because updates fix notification bugs. If sounds still fail, test with headphones and the speaker to narrow hardware faults, then back up and choose Reset All Settings via Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer or Reset. If nothing works, contact Apple support. Do this only after these steps to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.